Welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this tutorial video, learn a step-by-step instruction on how to retrieve your CenturyLink account number and PIN, as well as how to transfer PIN for added security. So follow along to easily access your important information and ensure to protection of your account. So let's start. Here, the first matter to get your account number by using a bill. So locate your account number at the top of each page of your monthly bill. Then sign in and look for the option to view your mail bill. Usually highlighted on the home screen. That's like in this image. So select the view bill, link to the process to the billing section, and then you have to click on the date of the bill you want to access view detail. Then here's also another matter. Find your account number in my current CenturyLink. So log into your CenturyLink in the web. Then your account number is displayed in the upper right hand corner of your every page. So now there is also method third for using my CenturyLink app. Open your CenturyLink app. Then your account number can be found in the upper left corner under the drop down menu with your name. So now here's also a method 4 for your account number is a welcome letter or a order confirmation. So check the welcome letter sent by when you sign up for their service. Then look for account number or reference number in this document. Then order confirmation is the fifth method. So review any order confirmation mail you receive when you starting or modifying your service. The order confirmation include your account number and is typically emailed to you as well. So here's also sixth method to retrieve your account number from your bill. So first simply you have to go into your bill through my CenturyLink for detailed information. Then input your email ID associated with your account and click on the submit button. Then account number will be sent through their mail. So now get your PIN to retrieve your security code from CenturyLink. Follow this step. First method, we have to check our welcome letters and bills. Locate your security code on the welcome letter received after ordering new service or on the first 3 monthly service under Get an Online Account section on page 1. So now here's also method second for get your account PIN, then request a code online. If you don't have the document, use the online request tool by clicking the provide a button. So here is also link we will provide you in our description box to get you directly through this link. So these are the link of there, and now I'm telling you how you can do this step by step to get your account PIN. After reach their website, so you have to enter your account number and click on their next to proceed. Then select one of the given option called like emails, call, and a paper mail. Then select how you want to receive your security code. Pass via email or an automated call or a paper mail. If you want email address has been on record for the least 30 days, choose to have to code email to you. Then automatic call, receive a call within 5 minutes of your request. A voice message will be left if you don't answer. So paper mail also expect the code is arrive in 7 to 10 days at your billing address on file. And now here's also method to get your PIN alternative request method. Check you have to chat with the CenturyLink representative to request your security code. Then upon identified verification, you will receive your security code. So now, for get your transfer pin from a CenturyLink, then you have to follow this step. First, you have to call their service representative. In this number, you have to dial this 866 642 0444. Follow the instruction provided by the representative, then to obtain your transfer pin. So these are some steps when you get your CenturyLink account number, account pin, as well as transfer pin. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it, and we will catch you in the next video.